Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the thermal paste in your Lenovo Ideapad Flex-15IIL. Overheating can lead to performance issues, and replacing the thermal paste is a crucial step in maintaining your laptop's efficiency. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, isopropyl alcohol, lint-free cloths, and of course, high-quality thermal paste. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel of your laptop. Keep the screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is removed, you will see the internal components. It's essential to take a moment to clean the area around the CPU and GPU. Use the lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol to gently wipe away any dust and old thermal paste. This step is crucial for ensuring a good bond with the new thermal paste. Next, locate the CPU and GPU. You may need to remove additional screws or components to access them fully. Be cautious and take your time. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you if you're unsure about any step. Now, using the plastic spudger, carefully unclip the heatsink from the CPU and GPU. Once it's free, you'll see the old thermal paste. Use the lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol to clean off the old paste from both the CPU and the heatsink. Make sure to remove all residue to ensure optimal thermal conductivity. After cleaning, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. Apply a small pea-sized amount of thermal paste to the center of the CPU. When you reattach the heatsink, it will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Remember, less is more. Too much paste can lead to overheating. Once the thermal paste is applied, carefully reattach the heatsink and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any movement that could lead to overheating. Now it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and screw it in securely. If you've removed the battery, reinsert it now. Before you power on your laptop, it's a good idea to double-check that everything is in place. If you're feeling uncertain at any point, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Finally, power on your laptop and monitor the temperatures. You should notice a significant improvement in performance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the thermal paste in your Lenovo Ideapad Flex-15IIL. Regular maintenance like this can greatly extend the life of your laptop and keep it running smoothly. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.